Hey guys, today I'm out at the Skyland neighborhood, which is only about a 10-minute drive to downtown Denver. Really cool neighborhood that I'm excited to share with you today. This is a 3-bedroom home, just under $850,000. Really excited to share it with you, so follow me as I take you through it. So, first and foremost, you can obviously tell this is a duplex, brand new, 2023 construction, about 2,200 square feet. And I think overall, the quality of the finishes are really nice. So, this isn't a model home, so it's not furnished temporarily. However, it still is nice and clean and definitely a nice home for you guys to check out with me today. So, as you walk in, we're coming in straight into the lowest level, which as you can see has a stairwell going upstairs as well as going down to the basement. But right off the front room here, you have a nice guest bedroom along with really nice floor to ceiling glass with sliding doors. So this could be a great office as well as just a bedroom that has nice easy access to the front of the house. Really good master, really nice walk-in closet. And as you guys can see though, there is no attached bathroom on this bedroom. So this is why it would also be a really nice office as an example. It's got an attached 2-car garage that brings you in again right on this main level. Nice size garage, tall ceilings. And then really the only other thing on this main level is a powder room that has a nice walk-in shower, nice vanity here. And then you have the option of either going, again, upstairs or downstairs. So upstairs, you've got a really nice kitchen as well as a rooftop deck. I'll show you that here in a minute. And then downstairs, a really nice finished lower level. So we'll go down there first. So as you can see, they've installed a full wet bar. It's got an undercab for a refrigerator as well as a nice sink here. I really like the backsplash. Everything is nice and clean and just light colors. I think they did a good job just with the selection of just the colors and just the finishes. Everything that they did down here on this lower level is really nice. So on this lower level, you've got 1 bathroom and 1 bedroom. For being in a lower level, especially one big benefit of the new construction homes is you still have nice tall ceilings. So you go into the older homes, especially in this neighborhood, pretty much all throughout Denver, any of these bungalows or homes that are built, 1920s to 1960s, those are all going to have either no basement, or if they do, it's going to be a very low ceiling. So with new construction, that's one big perk in my opinion, is the lower levels are always very usable and they don't feel like you're in a confined basement type environment. You still have a nice tall ceiling and it just feels a lot more comfortable. So So this lower level is where the plumbing is for the washer dryer hookup. In my opinion, that might be one slight negative to this house is a lot of the new construction homes, they're getting pretty savvy and really understanding the wants and desires of buyers and putting the washer dryer in either the main level near the kitchen, or a lot of times now, you'll actually find them up by the primary bedroom. So it's a nice, easy access for where you're living most of the time, where you're going to have your dirty clothes is, near your bedroom and your closet. So I think that's a really nice perk with a lot of the newer homes, is putting the washer dryer in an area that's more convenient. So in my opinion, that's the only first negative I've seen. The first con of this house is just the fact that the washer dryer closet's all the way downstairs. No biggie though. Let's go back upstairs. Again, this is that main landing by the front door in the garage, along with this little bedroom/office. As we go up to the main level, this is just going to be for the kitchen and nice living room. Really nice deck as well, though, that has good views of downtown. Second karaoke room here on this level. One thing I did notice, I don't find a actual pantry. So I'm assuming that this closet that I just showed you is going to actually have to be serving a couple purposes. So not exactly sure how that would look once actually installed in the final product, but just want to point that out. Nice stainless appliances. Again, everything's nice and bright, light colors. Really like this quartz island, how it goes all the way down to the side. I also like how they put in these windows in the kitchen. It just really brightens up this side of the room and just makes it feel a little bit bigger and more open. Also, I think with this kitchen island, since there's no stovetop on the island, it's over here. What's nice about that is you also have the ability to have all of this under cabinet storage, so you have a little bit more storage underneath there as well. So pretty nice main level here. Let's go up to the top floor now. Really quickly, guys, just wanted to pause the video for 2 seconds and once again introduce myself. My name is Adam Lang, licensed realtor here in Denver, Colorado. My phone number, my email, all that info is down below. I love connecting with viewers like yourselves, whether you're moving 6 weeks, 6 months, or even 6 years from now. I guarantee I can still provide value in one way or another. And more than anything, we'd just love to connect. So if you could, please also hit that notification bell. That way you'll be the first to be notified every week when I release new videos just like this one. But for now, let's get back to the rest of the video. Thanks. So this top floor is obviously the primary, the main bedroom. It's got a nice walk-in closet, pretty good sized bath. And then also it has what I mentioned earlier, this really nice outdoor deck, rooftop, great views of downtown. I'll show you that here in a second. So first off, just to see the bedroom, again, those floor-to-ceiling glass doors, sliding doors, really nice. So we have City Park very close to here. What I love about this location is you're only about a 10-minute drive to downtown Denver. So if you still work downtown, very easy commute. However, a lot of people are working at home these days. You still have a lot of other amenities very close to here, being Cherry Creek was within about a 10-minute drive as well. Also, you have City Park, which is where the zoo and the Natural History Museum is, and just some really good parks all over the place for walking your dogs or just going out and enjoying getting some fresh air and exercise. So as you can see over here, we've got the cash register building and a few of the iconic skyscrapers for downtown Denver. And as you can see now, as I'm in the back of the house, down below we've got the entrance for all 4 of these homes, garages, again 2-car garages for each. What I like is the garages are off the street in this alleyway. Keeps just, I think, a little bit more safety for where you're parking your cars, and also just a little bit more clean looking for the front of the house. Plenty of parking around here. You don't feel like you're in a congested part of Denver like you do if you're in Wash Park and some of these other areas that are really popular in Denver. Over here, I feel like just driving over here today, there's just not nearly as much just volume of people with the homes, and there's not cars parked everywhere. So I really like that. I think that's one negative to some parts of Denver is you have to deal with just finding a place to park if you're coming over and visiting a friend, and over here you just don't have that feel. It feels a little bit more like kind of a sleepy neighborhood, which in my opinion is a plus. Just literally 1 block off of the golf course over here. And just a beautiful view of downtown Denver and lots of great, again, trails and places to get some exercise just right out your door, which is very, very nice. So I'll just walk you back to the front of the door and close out this tour with you today. But our parting words is I'm very impressed. I think this is a very nice location, convenient, great for people that are going to downtown Denver or just like going out to eat and having a lot of opportunities for choices just with the different neighborhoods that are all within a 5 to 10 minute drive from here. And then the home itself, I think they did a great job. It just feels nice and open and kind of fitting that more contemporary style that is in demand right now here in Denver, Colorado. So guys, if you're looking at homes in Denver that are about that $850,000 mark, this is a great example of what to expect. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'll look forward to connecting with you guys on my next video. Have a good one.